Welcome to our video on Python OpenCV, parking space image detection. Are you interested in computer vision and machine learning? Do you want to learn how to detect parking spaces from images using Python and OpenCV? Then this video is for you. Parking space detection is an important topic in the field of intelligent transportation systems. With the increasing number of vehicles on the road, finding a parking spot can be a challenging task. By detecting available parking spaces from images, we can develop smart parking systems that guide drivers to vacant spots, reducing congestion and pollution. In this video, we'll cover the basics of image processing using OpenCV and how to detect parking spaces from images. We'll explore the concepts and techniques involved in this process, providing you with a solid understanding of how it works. To start, let's talk about what OpenCV is and why it's essential for computer vision tasks. OpenCV is an open source library that provides a wide range of image processing functions, making it easier to develop applications that can interpret and understand visual data from the world. When it comes to parking space detection, we need to follow these steps. First, we need to preprocess the image by converting it into a format that's suitable for processing. This involves resizing the image, applying filters to reduce noise, and normalizing pixel values. Next, we'll apply edge detection techniques to identify the boundaries of objects within the image. This is an essential step in identifying parking spaces, as edges can help us distinguish between different regions. Once we have the edges, we can use contour detection algorithms to find shapes that resemble parking spaces. Contours are closed curves that represent the boundary of a shape, and by analyzing their properties such as area, perimeter, and aspect ratio, we can determine if they correspond to parking spaces. After identifying potential parking spaces, we'll apply classification techniques to verify whether they're occupied or vacant. This involves training a machine learning model on a dataset of images labeled with occupancy information. By combining these steps, we can develop an accurate parking space detection system that can provide real-time guidance to drivers. Let's consider an analogy to help illustrate this process. Imagine you're trying to find a specific book in a library. You start by searching the shelves for a particular title, edge detection. Then narrow down your search by looking at the book's spines, contour detection. Finally, you open the book and verify its contents, classification. To recap, we've covered the following key points. 1. Preprocessing images is crucial for parking space detection. 2. Edge detection helps identify object boundaries within the image. 3. Contour detection. Algorithms find shapes that resemble parking spaces. 4. Classification techniques verify whether parking spaces are occupied or vacant. These concepts form the foundation of parking space image detection using Python and OpenCV. That's all for today's video on Python OpenCV parking space image detection. We hope you now have a solid understanding of how to detect parking spaces from images using these technologies. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content on computer vision and machine learning. If you want to dive deeper into the code implementation or explore other applications of OpenCV, be sure to check out the links provided in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.